morning. It is the Thursday before freshman first day. So freshman first day is tomorrow. And then we have all of our students coming in on Monday. So I am loaded with my school bag, my stuff bag, and my lunch bag. And my Arbonne shake, by the way. Ready to rock this day. Last night I took some papers home and sorted it out, put it all together. So I have it in little stacks and I'm gonna get to it. We have a couple of meetings today, but other than that, it's pretty much just working in our classroom. One thing about having the time, take advantage of every little second that you have to spare to do things that you need to do. I learned that. That's my goal this year, is just to get it done. I was really bad about, oh, okay, I'll do it later. I'll do it later. And then later never came. It literally never came. So this year, I'm gonna work on that. First, I've got to go deliver some chocolate that I brought for my admin and all the support staff that we have here from Germany. So first, to deliver.